To see your sent follow request on Instagram, follow these steps. Instagram has been changing things around lately. Previously, it was very easy to look up your Instagram sent follow requests. But today it's a little bit harder, but it's possible. So follow these steps. Okay, first you have to open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the side menu. Then tap on your activity. Then you scroll down until you see download your information under information you shared with Instagram. Then click on request a download. Then click on select types of information. This is the part where you can select followers and following. But you can also download information like your likes, story sticker and interactions, monetization, reports, and for example, gifts. Okay, we want to see our sent follow requests on Instagram. So we select followers and following, and then we click on next. Now you see some information, and then you click on submit request. You see you have pending downloads, and we have to wait until it's done. Now we go to the email address that is linked to Instagram, and we see the mail. Your download request is in progress. And now we have to wait until the files are finished. This may take a while. Then you get another email. Your information download is ready. Okay, then you open the mail and you see the sentence. You can find your files on the download your information page. Download your information, click on it. Then open with the browser you like. Okay, maybe you have to log in again. And otherwise you will see this screen, download your information, and then you see your available downloads. Click on download. It's downloading. Click on download again. And now you click on open and then open in downloads. Click on the map. And then you see followers and following. Click on it. Okay, here you see multiple files and we need to see our follow requests. So we click on recent follow requests. And then you see follow requests you've recently sent that were either confirmed or deleted. And then you get your list. And you can also see your pending follow requests. So the follow requests you've sent that haven't been confirmed or deleted yet. You can see the following, followers and blocked accounts. And that's it.